Hello, friends.
Welcome to the English Learn Pro podcast.
My name is Sam.
And I'm Anna. Today's topic is fun. Don't say very good. Try these instead. Yes, many people say very good again and again. But today, we will give you better words.
Yes.
Many people say very good again and again, but today we will give you better words.
That's right. If you learn new words, your English will sound more smart and more natural.
Very good is not a bad word, but if you always say it, your English sounds boring.
So let's learn 5 better words to say instead of very good.
Let us start.
Word excellent. Example: your drawing is excellent. Word impressive. Example: your English is impressive. Word outstanding. Example: that was an outstanding job.
Word awesome. Example: you did an awesome job.
Word well done.
Example: well done.
You did great.
If someone says very good to me, I say only good, not great.
Haha, that's funny, Anna.
Friends, try these new words today and comment below which word will you use instead of very good.
If you like this podcast, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
See you in the next episode.
And remember, your English is not just very good, it's excellent.